What's the deal, folks? Welcome to Device Overdose. I am your host, Ty. Are you tired of storing your data on internet-based cloud storage services like these? Of course you are. So in today's episode, I will be taking a fast look at network-attached storage options like Western Digital's My Cloud Home. I will take a look at the design, I will connect the device to my network and check out the features. I'll chop it up a little bit about the benefits of owning a personal cloud. So let's KIM and keep it moving into the video. Internet cloud storage is an option that has perplexed me. Bottom line is, I have never really been comfortable with these internet-based cloud service providers for obvious reasons. But since I've started the channel, I've become inundated with large 4K files. My 2 terabyte PC was running out of storage and rapidly becoming saturated with files that I may never use again. So I ran out and copped Western Digital's My Cloud Home. This device allows you to store and access your files from anywhere in the world. Now here we have a nice ass device. On the top of the My Cloud Home, there is a succession of air vent cutouts because the system does generate heat. The glossy white plastic top in contrast with the plastic diamond armor bottom looks dope in my opinion. The device has a pertinent germane aesthetic, which is markedly auspicious and adrim to its eminent function. Boy, Tanala words on deck. All right, my bad. Let's keep it moving. Did I leave some shit inside this box? Of course I did. Alright, this is your power supply, nothing too fancy. And this is your thick ass Ethernet cable. Alright, let's keep it moving. So the unbox is complete. I have taken everything out of the box. Next, the quick start guide has a code that you will need if for some reason you cannot find the device on your network. Next, head over to mycloud.com for setup, or you can download the My Cloud Home application. The app has a smooth interface with the device. You can upload or download large files like your videos, your photos, your albums, and you can do all of this wirelessly from anywhere. The My Cloud Home is a non-Wi-Fi device that does require an Ethernet connection. However, you are still able to stream videos and watch movies directly from the device. At the front of the unit, there is an LED indicator light strip. This light has a gentle pulse when the device is being set up. If connection is successful, the light will stay solid. On the back side, there is your USB Type A port. Below that, there is your Ethernet port and your power supply. The unit will require a constant power supply to function. Connecting the unit to your network is a simple process. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the My Cloud Home unit. Next, plug the opposite end of the cable into the router. All right, let's keep it moving. Setting up the device does require that you have a Western Digital My Cloud account, and I will leave links in the description. After you have set up your My Cloud account online, you can begin to invite family and friends, and they can create individual accounts. Each invited person can set up their own private space that only they have access to on the unit. All right, let's keep it moving. The My Cloud Home is a single bay 4 terabyte hard disk drive coupled with a Realtek A53 quad-core processor. The CPU is a 4K UHD multimedia SoC with an AP router built in. So what the hell is a multimedia SoC, you ask? I got you. The term simply means system on a chip. The RTD1295 is a bleeding edge high definition multimedia processor made for yada yada. Now let's keep it moving. While the setup using the app wasn't too painful, setting up the device using my PC was a better experience. After you have logged into mycloud.com, Windows 10 will automatically recognize the device, create a desktop shortcut, and then map the device as a network drive. This type of storage solution can free up a ton of space on your mobile device or your desktop. And if 4 terabytes is just not enough cloud storage, you can purchase an NAS device that has multiple bays. But hold up, bust the meat. This little side note applies to the more tech savvy. You cannot expand the unit's storage capacity by connecting an additional drive. However, you can connect your external drive to transfer files using the USB Type A port on the back of the device. All right, let's keep it moving. The device will come with a free 3-month subscription to Plex Pass coupon. Personally, I'm not too familiar with Plex Pass and Plex servers, but for those of you that are, you can grab that code. Now, one of my biggest concerns with this device being a single bay hard drive was, if this shit fails, do I lose all of my data? And the answer to that is no. Upon closer inspection, Western Digital did provide an emergency backup option on both the PC and the mobile app. I did not install the PC version, but I can show you the mobile version called CrowdStorage. So let's open the app. Click Menu. Click Do More. Next, select CrowdStorage Backup. Next, click the Enable button. And that's it. Now, shifting gears to one of my other concerns, which is whenever I give, say, one of my children storage space on the home network, I cannot access that individual's account. Now, this issue is a concern, but in no way a deal breaker. The MyCloud Home will cost you between 160 and 195 green stamps, and that's for the 4 terabyte version. All right, folks, the MyCloud Home is a dope ass piece of tech, and I definitely recommend this particular device, basically because of its simplicity and it's easy to set up and start using. All right, folks, that's a wrap for the MyCloud Home. I have taken up enough of your time, and if you found any of this information useful, please hit the like button. It really does help out the channel. It's your boy Ty. I'll catch y'all on the rebound. Hold it down.